So everyone, we are going to start question D. Take out your maths fair notebook. I think you have started. Now let's complete that question D now. This is question D. Start doing it. Start doing it quickly and send your answer to me on WhatsApp. Send your answers to me on WhatsApp. Start doing it quickly. See the numbers properly. One is HG also. Excuse me. Excuse me. Minutes left. So I'm going to tell you the answers of this question. And I think in the cold, your hands are not working. That's why you are taking so much time, right? Is it so? That you're taking so much time because your hands are not working?
Yes,
Right?
ma'am.
Yeah, that's why. Okay. Okay, see now. 54 gram. You have to convert. Oh, my hands are also not working on the laptop even. Okay, see, 54 gram. 54 gram ko you have to convert to what? Kilograms. Okay. If you can see here, if you can see this, gram is here. This is a gram. Wait. Even my hands are not working properly. Even the mouse hands are not working properly. See, this is gram here and this is kilogram here. ग्राम को किलोग्राम बनाना है. See, ग्राम को आपको किलोग्राम बनाना है. So what will you do? Divide or multiply? क्या करोगे?
Divide.
डिवाइड. तो आप 54 को डिवाइड करोगे. आप 54 को डिवाइड करोगे. वी विल डू द 54 को हम केजीज में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए उसको डिवाइड करेंगे. लेकिन डिवाइड किससे करोगे? डिवाइड करेंगे किससे करोगे? कितने जीरो से करोगे? 1 2 3. हाउ मेनी गैप्स आर देयर? हाउ मेनी गैप्स आर देयर? 3. सो हम किससे डिवाइड करेंगे? 1000 से डिवाइड करेंगे इसको. Okay, we will divide it by 1000. अब मैंने देखा some of you are putting the points wrong. आप points गलत लगा रहे हो बेटा. 1 2 3 ही needed. तो कैसे करते हैं? देखो 54 है. 54 से 2 से 54 kgs में तो ये convert हो गया है. अब इससे 1 2 3 3 पहले point आना चाहिए. 1 2. अब 3 तो है नहीं तो you will put 1 0 और 0 से पहले you will put 1 point. Okay, 0.054 kgs is the answer. अच्छा, If somebody put a wait, if somebody puts zero, if somebody is going to put zero here, it is also okay. Don't say ma'am ये zero मैंने put कर दिया या नहीं put किया है. Also both means the same. Okay. Now here you have to convert 300 gram. Again 300 gram. How will you convert it? You will divide 300 divided by 1000. On your mouse. 300, you will divide 300 divided by 1000. So here we have 1300 divided by 1000 kg. So when you write it, it will become equals to 300 तो लिखा है, ये kgs में भी convert हो गया है. But 3 से 3 नीचे कितने zeros है? 3. तो 3 से पहले point आना चाहिए 1, 2, 3. अब यहाँ पर point आ जाएगा and this is the answer. और इससे पहले point लगाओगे, point से पहले zero लगाओगे, it doesn't matter, either you put it or you don't put it. Okay. Now, here I changed the question. It is purposely I changed this question. If you can see here, it is given Hg. Hg is here and Kg is here. So you will divide or multiply. It's going back. So what will you do?
Divide.
You will divide it. So when you have 554 Hg, 554 Hg, you will divide it. You will divide this 554 Hg. आप 554 को 554 h को डिवाइड करोगे. डिवाइड किससे करोगे? लेट मी सी हियर. हम डिवाइड करेंगे 554 को. कितने जीरो से करेंगे? हाउ मच गैप इज बिटवीन केजी एंड एचजी? कितना गैप इन केजी एंड एचजी? 1 0 का. ओके, वी विल डिवाइड इट बाय 1 0. ठीक है. सो वी विल टेक हियर 1 0 डिवाइडेड बाय 10. And when we change it into the decimal form, how will we change it? See here, is equals to 55.4 kgs. ओके, विका यही गलत किया था बेटा. 10 से डिवाइड होगा, 1000 से नहीं होगा. ओके, नाउ सी 90 ग्राम. अगेन 90 इज इन ग्राम. ग्राम से किलोग्राम में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए वी विल डिवाइडेड बाय 1000. 90 ग्राम 90 केजीज में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा ये, डिवाइडेड बाय 1000. The mouse is not working properly. 90 kg divided by 1000. Okay, so the answer will be equal to 0.090 kilojoules. Check your answers once again. These are the answers. See them properly. See them properly. Any confusion if you are having, you may ask me now. Any confusion if you are having, you may ask me now. Okay, beta, I suppose 2 minutes are left and I'm not going to share you next question. Because if I'll share you the next question, you will not be able to do it. आप एक काम करो, आप question लिख कर रख लो. Okay, I'm going to share the next one. Take the screenshot of it, those who have not done it. I suppose everyone has done it. Okay, मैं एक काम करती हूँ. I'll start some reasoning question. I'll give you one reasoning question, which I've done yesterday. Okay, within those 2 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to start. Don't write this, Abhi. I'll share you this picture. Don't worry about it. Okay, I'm giving you one or two reasoning questions so that within 2 minutes you can do it. See. Oh my God, where is it? Good pictures is good pictures is written as 3, 4. See pictures is coded as 4, 5. Okay, now and pictures are faint. He scolded us for. What is the timing? I think we should stop it. I will give you another time. Okay, I'll just make it and tell you another time. Okay, so bye.